So everybody likes butterflies, right? Well, today I'm gonna try to do. I was thinking about it for a while. I'm gonna try to do a design. Here are all the colors I'm using. Blue. They're all apple barrels. I'm using these colors for the background. So I'm using forest green, turquoise, cadmium yellow, and the pink for just dab the colors on with a brush. Take other colors and mix them here and there. So I'm just bouncing my brush on the colors that I put down. I think I want some pink in there. So yes, I am using acrylic paint. Put on any background, but you should put on a base coat if you're going to do this acrylic paint on top of your nails. Okay, so I'm back and my background is dry. It's kind of marbly. I just use my acrylic paint. Okay, so I'm mixing some brown with some orange and white. Because I'm gonna put in the basic outline for the butterfly. So like I have my basic outline out here. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do like fill in the whole body with this color. So I'm gonna go across the nail. Okay, so I filled out the whole butterfly area with that color. Now I have to let that color dry. Okay, so my butterfly is dry now. I just used a hairdryer on it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come around all the edges. See, look, this is what a butterfly looks like. I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna go around all the edges with black, and then I'm gonna fill in all the spots that need to be filled in. So I'm finished with the black outline. Now I'm going to put in the black body. Now I'm going to come in and do all the black details. Okay, so one wing is done. Now I gotta do the other wing. I could put in the little antennas. Now I'm gonna come in and do all the little white dots and brighten all of the little areas with that orange is supposed to be in. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just kind of come in and do the little white dot details. So turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Put some orange and maybe some yellow in the wings of the butterfly. Maybe I'll just go around the outline of its actual body with a little bit of white, just to help define the body a little bit. Maybe I put a touch of blue in it here and there. just for like that iridescent look that butterflies have. I think I'm gonna drop some little dots here and there. I'm gonna take some of these and just drop some dots in some lines. So far, this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little glitter, clear glitter polish. This one's by Milani. I'm just gonna go ahead and put just a little. I'm just gonna brush it a little bit across some of these areas, just to give it a little shine and pop. Not trying to put a lot. Okay, so I'm just coming back now, and everything's just a little bit dry now. Now I'm gonna just give it a little top coat. I would double coat it. I would top coat it twice, just to hold everything together.